Hey, what's going on? Aaron Chen here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out YouGetProfit.com and you're wondering, can you make money on this website? Is this a real website? How does this actually work? Is it worth your time? That's a really important question, right? So basically, YouGetProfit.com is what's called a PTC website. A PTC website stands for pay to click, all right? Now, it's been around for a very long time, since 2013. They've paid out quite a lot of money to a lot of people, and it is a real legitimate website, all right? Now, the way that it works is you can either be an advertiser because they generate a lot of, traffic to this website, or you can earn money from the site, and this is the way that most people use the website, okay? So if you were to click on the earn money website, before you can earn any money, you would need to sign up for the site. So you would click on sign up and you would sign up with your username, your email address, all that information. It's free to sign up, okay? And then the ways that you can make money are through mainly viewing ads, downloading offers, and then taking parts in different types of contests, all right? So if you were to view ads, for example, and this is the way that a lot of these PTC websites work, right? You would basically click on the ads and watch ads, okay? And once you watch the ads, you will be paid between 1 cent and 1/10 of a cent for every ad that you watch. So you're really not making that much money, all right? You're making remember, okay, so it's 1 cent or 1/10 of a cent for every single ad that you watch. So if you really think about it, in order for you to make, even $1 per day, it's going to require you quite a long time before you can add up enough actions for you to make up to $1 per day, okay? Now, their threshold is $2 before you can withdraw your money. And you can withdraw your money through different ways like Bitcoin and different platforms like Payeer. Unfortunately, they don't accept PayPal, which is a bit of a disadvantage, okay? And you can see that they've only paid about $280,000 over a 10-year time span, or 9 to 10 years at the time of recording this video, okay? So it's really not that much money because, again, PTC websites aren't designed to make you rich, okay? PTC websites are just designed to make you a little bit of money by viewing ads, by downloading offers, and again, we're talking about, pennies on the dollar. We're talking about 1/10 of 1 cent per ad that you watch. It depends on the offers that you download, but different offers will give you different amounts of money, and point contests also will give you different amounts of money, but we're talking about very, very little money. Again, less than 1 cent, 1 cent, 2 cents here, 3 cents there. So when you add it up, it does take a long time for you to add up quite a lot of money on PTC style websites, okay? So again, you're investing a lot of time, but you're only making back very little money. I mean, you might spend 2-3 hours a day and you might only make $1. So if you think about it, 2 to 3 hours a day on an online website, and you're making $1 a day, let's just say, and that's quite a high amount. Most people don't even make $1 a day. That's only like $30 a month, but you've invested hours and hours and hours of your time. So is it a legitimate website? It is. Can you really make money from this website for free? Yes, you can. But is there a better way to spend your time? I would think so, okay? So here's what I'm going to say. I would say that YouGetProfit.com is designed to do exactly what it's designed to do. It's designed to make you a teeny weeny little bit of money for very, very low skills, okay? So a very low skill set is viewing ads, downloading offers, and taking part in contests. That's a very, very low skill set way to earn money online. But if you want to make a lot of money online, we're talking about $100 a day, $200 a day, $500 a day, $1,000 a day. It requires a high skill set for you to earn that kind of money, okay? So even though YouGetProfit.com is a legitimate website, I still think that there are much, much better ways for you to earn money online, okay? And for me, I'm a multiple six-figure online earner. I've tried a lot of different things, including PTC websites, drop shipping, affiliate marketing, business opportunity online, surveys. There are lots of different ways to make money online. I still think that affiliate marketing is the best way to make money online, but you have to learn how to do it properly, okay? So that's a high income skill set. Affiliate marketing is when you find a group of people that have a problem that they're trying to solve, and you find a product that helps them to solve that problem, and all you do is you become a middleman, right? You join them together, and when they make a purchase, you generate a commission, and I would love to teach you how to do that if you would like to learn how to do that. Now, this is a high income skill set, and you're gonna have to learn how to do it, but I've got a free 6-figure workshop that will show you how to do this properly if you really want to make. I mean, look, if you have an extra 2 to 3 hours a day to spend on, on the computer, you may as well be earning $100 a day, $200 a day, $500 a day, $1,000 a day, rather than $1.50 per day on a PTC style website. Does that make sense, right? You may as well invest the right skill set and the right amount of time into something that's going to bring you more money back, if that makes sense. Even though they're both legitimate. Affiliate marketing is legitimate, PTC style websites are legitimate, but you may as well earn more money than less money, if that makes sense, right? So if you would like to check that out, go ahead and register for the workshop below. I hope to see you on the workshop, and I hope you enjoyed this review of YouGetProfit.com. Take care and speak to you soon.